I hacked the robot, this robot. His name is ELEGOO Smart Robot Car version 4. It's a very good robot and it is based on Arduino boards. In fact, it mounts an Arduino R3 board here on the back, and it also has an ESP32 board here that provides capabilities of Wi-Fi communication, and it also has a video camera here. Then it has many sensors. It has this ultrasonic sensor in the front. It has 3 infrared sensors at the bottom here, and it has an NPU sensor here that provides gyroscope and accelerometer readings. So this robot can work in 4 different modes. The first mode is the follow mode. Follow mode is a mode where you put an obstacle in front of the ultrasonic sensor, try to move this obstacle away from the robot, and you see the robot trying to approach the obstacle, so you can play even with your hand in this mode. The second mode is the line tracking mode, where the robot exploits the 3 sensors, the 3 infrared sensors at the bottom, to follow a line that you have drawn on the ground. And then we have the obstacle avoidance mode, where the robot wanders around and tries to avoid obstacles by exploiting the readings from the ultrasonic sensor. So this mode is not very precise, because if the obstacle is not exactly perpendicular to the ultrasonic sensor, and if the situation is this one, the ultrasonic wave that is emitted by the sensor and is reflected from the surface away from the robot, and then it comes back to the sensor, maybe after other reflections from other obstacles or by diffraction. So in this case this reading is not very precise, and it can happen that the robot thinks there's no obstacle in front of it, while actually there is an obstacle, but it is not perpendicular to the sensor. The fourth mode is a mode where you can control the robot remotely from an application, from a phone application. So in this mode, the robot puts itself into access point mode, where it creates its own Wi-Fi network. You connect through this application to the Wi-Fi network created by the robot, and then you can control the robot from your phone. I didn't like so much this mode, simply because I didn't want to be forced to control the robot from a phone, while I would have liked to be able to control the robot from my computer or with a game controller. Maybe the robot connects to my Wi-Fi network, my home Wi-Fi network. At that point I would have liked to control the robot with my keyboard or with a game controller. And this is exactly what I did it's the reason why I hacked the software for the boards of the robot, and then I created a small Python application for controlling the robot from my computer. If we look at the documentation provided by ELEGOO, we find a detailed description of the communication protocol, which is based on JSON requests over plain socket. I created a software package and released it on GitHub and PyPI. The documentation is quite clear and should allow anyone to perform the same modifications I did. I basically created a game engine through the Pygame library that allows to easily handle user inputs. At the same time, I exploited the communication protocol to transfer the commands to the robot through socket communication. in the end I was not completely satisfied. The robot has a camera, so I wanted to provide the computer vision capabilities. By exploiting OpenCV and the Ultralytics YOLO library, I created a very simple AI that allows the robot to follow any person it sees. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video and try my library if you own this same robot. Thank you. Bye.